it's me, your friend Alex. Today we are going to do an activity that involves matching farm animals with their habitats and the places that they stay. So I have cut out a bunch of these cards that have different animals and different places where they live. So parents, this worksheet and these cards are available on the Virtual Classroom website for you to download, and all you have to do is cut them out. So I've lined up all of my cards. I have the animals on one side and I have their habitats on the other side. And I'm just going to match where they stay. So the first animal I have is a horse, and the horse says neigh, neigh. And I'm gonna bring the horse into his stable. It's a match. Good job. Next, I have a cow. Moo, moo. And the cow is gonna go graze in the field. Moo. Look, he found his cow friend. It's a match. Next, I have a pig. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. And look, the pig found his friends in the pig pen. Oink, oink. Next, I have a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. And the duck is gonna waddle all the way over to the pond so he can swim with his friends. Quack, quack, quack. And last, I have a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. And the chicken is gonna go by his friends in the chicken coop. It's a match. Along with these cards, you can also find 2 more worksheets on our Virtual Classroom website that also correspond with this activity. So here we have this line tracing activity where you can connect the animals to their habitats. And for this activity, parents feel free to either hand over hand guide your child with a crayon or a marker and help them out drawing these lines. We have a straight line and also some curved lines for you guys to practice. And then lastly, I have another worksheet that just has the animals on one side and the habitats mixed up on another side, and the students can match. So again, feel free to help them out as much or as little as they may need. Thank you guys for matching with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.